Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I come to you with a very nice bag from my collection. I'm gonna share with you my Chanel boy bag that I acquired a way back from Westair, and I didn't yet find a way in time to share it with you. As and I was curating my collection recently, I said, okay, I need to share this bag with you. And this bag comes with a very funny story that I'm gonna explain as I pull this bag out. Ta-da! Here is my Chanel medium, and I believe this is the old medium size boy bag with the gold hardware in green color. Let me put some light on just for the sake of maybe just having a little bit more show of color. The green is not like neon green, it's more muted, more foresty, but not dark green. Very beautiful color. The leather is my preferred one. As you can see, it is the caviar version. I got this pre-loved from Westair, and I think it was shipped from one of the Scandinavian countries. I think it came from Sweden or Finland, I'm not so sure. I absolutely love it, and before I show you, you probably know the interior. It opens with this button is here on the side, like this. I have it stuffed, obviously, which I recommend you do the same with your bags if you want to keep them in nice shape and condition. I had some air paper inside. Inside it's very simple. Has one pocket here on this side. I keep my documentation here. This pocket is zipped, as you can see here. The interior is kind of a salmonish pink color. Another slip pocket here on the side here, and one main compartment. This bag was made in France, which is preferred for me at least. Nothing against the made in Italy bags. I have a couple of those also, and they're very nice. I have no problem with those. If you want to see how this bag looks on me, I'm gonna show it to you now, and also we're gonna talk about the little story that goes with this bag. So this is the size of this bag. I'm 180 centimeters for your reference, and around 73 kilos at this moment. So this is how the bag looks on me. Let me just swirl around for convenience. Okay, so to the story of this bag. So I was wearing this bag it was last week on the weekend, and I was in a row waiting to pick up my favorite beverage at Starbucks, which for the moment is the crushed iced brown sugar espresso, something like that. And as I was waiting in line with a cardigan similar to this one on, and with this bag, and actually I was wearing a pair of sunglasses, which I'm gonna put on now, so you're gonna see the complete look. I take my eyes off and put the sunglasses on. So that day I was wearing lenses, so I was able to rock some of the sunglasses from my collection. Voila. So this is what you could have seen in a line at Starbucks. Me with this bag rocking these Mikita sunglasses. And there were two girls behind me talking about something I noticed they're talking about me. And I turned around and I casually just said, "Excuse me, I think I overheard you talking about me." And one of them said, "Excuse me, but isn't this a lady's bag?" And I was a bit, to be honest with you, I was a bit stunned. I didn't know what to say. And the naughty boy inside of me wanted to say, do something like this. You wish, honey. But actually I said, yeah, I believe it's marketed as a ladies bag, but I really like this square boxy design of it, and I got it for myself. And she was like, it's absolutely beautiful, can I check it out? And I kind of showed it to her. And she was admiring it. She said it's absolutely beautiful, which obviously it is. Voila. I'm in love with it. There is a little niggle with it, which is my particular niggle, because as you know, my hand is not the best on the left side, and if I want to go in and out of this bag on the go, the flap you need to obviously open up and get into the bag, so it's not super convenient for me per se. I like something that zips on top so I can get easily in and out, and this thing is not that kind of bag, and also it doesn't have any pockets on the back. Everything what is happening with this bag is happening inside, so you need to count with that. So if you're getting a bag like this, that you will need to be more working in and out of your bag, especially if you're like me and you're all the time on the phone, then potentially this bag might get a little bit annoying for you. I just keep my phone, to be honest with you, in my jacket because I'm on the phone 24/7, and for me to put the phone in this bag and go in and out of this bag all the time, I'm pretty sure for the people who own this bag know this, that this is a bit of a downside of this bag, but okay, to each its own. Then again, the design is fantastic. As I said, I love the boxy square look of this bag, absolutely fantastic, and I love the gold hardware. There, it keeps a lot of stuff. I can actually put a smaller tablet inside, phone, keys and whatnot, you know, whatever you're using, some makeup if you need that. Obviously it will all fit in this. Maybe a smaller notebook, or definitely you can put in an agenda. This is a PM, this one is easily, as you can see, it's much smaller than this bag. I can do my agenda with this bag easily, and many other stuff. Obviously case like this for the glasses that I actually have on now, which I'm gonna take off now. These are from Mikita Berlin, if you're interested what these are, and they're absolutely fabulous. I love the light design that Mikita does, and the hingeless design. As you can see, the hinge doesn't have any screws, so it's that more durable than any normal kind of glasses. Okay, let me put my Dior lens back on so I can see you better. Anyway, this was a little reveal of my Chanel boy bag in green color in cavia leather. If you have any questions about this particular bag, feel free to contact me down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you anytime soon. Thank you very much for looking at another of my videos. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.